been watching a friend of mine. Her name is Starry, and I'll put her link up in the upper corner. And she's been making smoothies? No, she's been juicing. And she shared one of her recipes, and I had the ingredients after my kids left. So I thought maybe I'd bring you along and do a little bit of juicing today. So let me show you the ingredients and we'll get started. So here's the ingredients that I pulled out, and I have almost all of what Starry used. I may not have a couple of the items, but I'm going to use 1 clove of fresh garlic, 3 apples. I'm only going to use 1 of the fresh beets and a little bit of the greens from the beets. I believe I will use probably 6 or 7 carrots and a half a bag of spinach. And when I get it all blended out or juiced in the juicer, I'll pour some pineapple, coconut, nectar, I'm losing my beets. So I'll pour, I don't know, maybe I think I'll use maybe about a half a cup of the pineapple coconut nectar from concentrate into it just for extra. And I love coconut juice anyway. The juicer that I have is a Hamilton Beach. Let me get this out of the way. It is a Hamilton Beach, and it's pretty loud. So what I'll do is I'll just get everything cleaned up. I will wash these, peel them, wash and peel the carrots. And the apples I will just wash and then cut in quarters. That I'll just peel and stick in there. And I'll probably use about a half of a bag of the fresh spinach. So let me get that going and I'll bring you along. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to cut this off, maybe, just so I can get a hold of it. And then I'll pull the greens out and stick them in there too. So I'll get this peeled off. Okay, this is probably going to be really loud, so I will mute this sound and probably put some music in or something. But here we go. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oops. Look at those colors. That looks like probably the apples, the beets, the carrots. That looks yellow, but it's actually orange. So this is pretty full, so I'm just going to dump it into another glass and finish up my juicing. It smells so good. Okay, here we go. And I'll tell you what, when I put that garlic in there, whoo, boy, could I smell that. So I got it all blended or juiced. I'm going to drip and make a mess. And I'm dumping it because I ended up with quite a bit from this batch and the one I did before. How pretty. And it smells wonderful. So I did put some ice in my glass because I've heard that juice is better if it's really, really cold. So, oh, look at that. Gorgeous. All right, time for the taste test. Hope a lot of that garlic flavor doesn't come through. That is really good. Can't really taste the garlic at all. I think the garlic there's just enough garlic flavor in there to give it a little bit of a, I'm not going to say a heat. I don't know what it is. But you can tell that there's garlic in it, but it's not an overwhelming garlic flavor. The beets make it really, really sweet and gives it a real earthy flavor. That's what I'm tasting. Pretty good. I like it. Gonna have to get me some more fresh vegetables to do this. I was trying to figure out what to do with the left. Let me show you. So if you take all this apart, and this Hamilton Beach juicer comes apart real easy, but I was trying to figure out what to do with all this, all the pulp. I mean, that's got to be good for something. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang on to it, and my brother has a dog. Her name is Sassy, or Sarsaparilla. She's a service dog. But it's got all this dry pulp in here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pulp and I'm going to mix it with probably some peanut butter, some rice flour, maybe some bacon grease, and make it into dog treats for my brother's dog. No sense in throwing all that away, right? Anyway, hope you enjoy it, Rick, or hope Sassy enjoys it, Rick. Okay, well, I'm going to go sit down. Well, I'm going to clean up my mess, which is not too bad. Just use a little brush to clean that out. So I'm going to clean up this mess, put my juice in the fridge. I'm going to drink this juice, get this video uploaded, and maybe tonight I'll make the dog treats and I'll bring you along for that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click the thumbs up that's, I don't know which side it's on, but there's a little thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and if you click that little bell icon that's down there too, that will notify you when I post my next video. So that's it for my juicing for today. Maybe I'll do more later. Thanks for coming along. Bye.